Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make eggplant parmesan. Eggplant parmesan is a traditional Italian dish done with breaded eggplant, fresh grated parmesan, and a marinara sauce. We're going to start by peeling our eggplant, then cutting it into 1/4-inch slices. We'll start by dredging it in some flour, an egg wash, and then pat it into our breadcrumbs. Once it's breaded, we're going to fry it really quickly until it's golden brown. Then, starting with our casserole dish, we're going to put down a layer of marinara, 1 round of eggplant, top with a little of the sauce, throw on some parmesan, and then layer with the next piece of eggplant. And finish it off with some fresh grated mozzarella. We'll throw this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Then you can serve it either with pasta or by itself. And there you have it, how to make eggplant parmesan.